China has made a leap in the infrared system for the accurate measurement of solar magnetic field, which is the first astronomical telescope working in the mid-infrared wavelength worldwide. The 8 to 10 micrometer imaging terminal system of AIMS has arrived in Lanhu, where China is building a world-class astronomy observation site. As the docking and debugging work of the imaging terminal system has begun, the trial observation will be conducted in the near future.
I'm now standing on the Seshteng mountain, where China is building a world-class astronomy observation site. The average altitude here is about 4,000 meters.
A total of 9 optical astronomical telescope projects have been settled in Lanhu, northwest China's Qinghai province.
太阳磁场呢是太阳活动的起源。我们这个项目呢，相当于说在中红外观测，它的作用呢是能够更精确地测量太阳磁场，这样就为这个太阳活动的爆发呢提供更准确的那个太阳预报模型。